Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we will make split mash or urad dal in restaurant style. First we will clean 1 cup of mash dal by soaking it in tap water for 2 hours. Then cook it in masala to make very tasty urad or mash dal. So let's take 1 cup of mash dal, then add 4 cups of water and cover it to let it rest for 2 hours. After 2 hours of resting, now rub mash dal with your hand palms. You will see clean dal and peeling are becoming separate from each other. Now change the water and rub it again. Repeat this process of cleaning for 5 times. It is our clean mash dal. Keep some peeling in it to get more delicious taste and texture of dal. Now we will start cooking dal. To make masala of urad dal, we need ginger grated 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, garam powder which is ajwain half teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, extra virgin olive oil 1/4 cup, sliced tomato 1 without seeds, sliced onion 1 medium sized, 6 to 7 slices of onion to make tadka for dal, water 1.5 cups for masala and 2 cups for dal. So let's start making our yummy dal. In a pan, add water and turn on the flame. Then add sliced onion and tomatoes. Add half of olive oil and half will be used for tadka. Also add cumin seeds, ginger, garam powder, salt, turmeric, red chili powder. Mix everything and let it come to boiling point at high flame. It will start boiling after 1 minute. Now keep the flame medium low and cook it for more 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, everything becomes soft. Now cook it on high flame without lid until it becomes a little bit thick. You will see some soft slices of onion and tomatoes in masala. It should be like this. Everything will be blended in dal after cooking. Now add dal and masala. Mix it and add 2 cups of water. Cook it on high flame for 2 minutes until it starts boiling. Then keep the flame medium low and cook it for more 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, dal becomes soft. Now keep the flame high and make it thick. Meanwhile, we will make tadka of sliced onion and olive oil. After 2 minutes, our dal becomes thick. Now add garam masala powder in it. Turn off the flame and add tadka. Garnish it with cilantro leaves and green chilies. Keep the lid on for 30 seconds to get the aroma of green chilies and cilantro leaves. Then enjoy very delicious mashed dal, inshallah.